Hi guys, we received this LED linear high bay light for event purposes, and I think it's a really nice one because well, it's made from aluminum, which is really nice. I want to get out of this pack, and you can select the temperature of the light if you want it warmer or colder, and you can select the wattage, which is really nice. And if you can select the wattage, it means that it's super energy saving, which is really nice. And it doesn't need very complicated installation. You can even do it like in 5 or 3 minutes, which is really nice. As you can see, here are the instructions. Okay, this is the power. We have here the power selection and the color temperatures, which is nice. And as you can see, the cable comes ready with the line, the neutral, and the lamp, which is really nice. So let's go and install it. As you can see, it's already installed. Everything is ready. I'm gonna turn it on. And as I said, you can select the temperature of the light. This is the warmest. This is a warmest, a neutral, and the coldest, which is really nice. And now here you've got the Wattage Selectable. I'm gonna set it on medium, and you just put this white cap back on, like this. So it's really nice. You can set it up on your garage, whatever you need it. It looks nice. It gives a very big surface area of light, which is very nice, and it's, as you can see, very bright. So I would recommend it. So yeah.